Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Meenal Singer, TGT Science of KV Loktak. That means I am your science teacher. Students, this video is especially for the students of class 6 because class 6 we have already studied chapter first in class 6, but now we are going to study about the second chapter. But before starting this chapter, let us pray to God to save all of us from this disastrous pandemic known as coronavirus. So students, here the second chapter, this is e-learning class of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and this is digital science classes. Okay, the next chapter that you are going to study is component of food, which is of class 6. That is why I say in previously that this chapter is for class 6 students. Okay, this video is basically for class 6 student. Before starting this chapter, let me tell you a story. What have you seen in this figure? This is an ancient Greek king. ये कौन है? एक ancient Greek king है. Greek जो होते हैं उनकी आर्मी बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है, बट ये जो ग्रीक किंग है इनकी आर्मी जो है वो इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है. ही इज़ नॉट अ स्ट्रांग आर्मी. दैट इज़ वाई ही इज़ वेरी disappointed with his army. He wants to make his army very strong, strongest in the world. His army is not so strong, though they are disciplined, but they are not so strong. So this ancient Greek king was very much disappointed. So he want to know कि उसकी अपोनेंट आर्मी जो है वो क्या खाना चाहती है, वो क्या खाती है जिससे वो इनसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाती है. सो ही कॉल्ड ए डिटेक्टिव. ही हायर्ड अ डिटेक्टिव. आप सबको पता है डिटेक्टिव क्या काम करते हैं. डिटेक्टिव स्पाइस को कहते हैं, और स्पाई क्या काम करते हैं, वो जाते हैं और जाके दूसरे किंगडम में क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में चुपके चुपके से हमको पता लगा के बताते हैं. तो ये एंशिएंट किंग ने, ग्रीक किंग ने किसको भेजा था? डिटेक्टिव को भेजा था पता लगाने के लिए कि जो दूसरा कंट्री है उसकी आर्मी क्या खाती है. Now this picture is of a detective which was sent by that king, that Greek king. He went on searching and searching. वो search करता रहा. Then he met a doctor of their opponent army. Opponent army के डॉक्टर से मिला, और डॉक्टर को उसने क्या झूठ बोल के उसे उसकी आर्मी के सीक्रेट्स जानना चाहे. डॉक्टर उसकी बातों में इजीली आ गया, इसीलिए उसने उसे क्या बताया? अपनी आर्मी के हेल्दी होने का सीक्रेट बताया. वो डॉक्टर डिटेक्टिव को अपने साथ कहाँ ले गया? अपने साथ अपनी हॉस्पिटल में, अपनी लेबोरेटरी में ले गया, जहाँ से वो जो है सप्लाई करता था, जहाँ से वो टेक केयर करता था अपनी कंट्री की आर्मी की. लेट अस टेक अ लुक कि जो डॉक्टर था उसने डिटेक्टिव को क्या क्या चीज़ें दिखाई. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब वो अपनी लेबोरेटरी में उसे ले गया तो उसने सबसे पहले उसे क्या दिखाया? एक सिरप दिखाया. ये एक सिरप की बॉटल है, उसने उसे ये दिखाई थी. ये सिरप की बॉटल जो होती है ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करती है. और उसने उसे क्या दिखाया? उसने उसे दिखाई बहुत सारी पिल्स. ये सब आपने देखी हैं. आई होप आप सब ने किसी न किसी टाइम पे अपने घर में सिरप ज़रूर पिया होगा. अपने घर में आपने सिरप ज़रूर पिया होगा, और आपने क्या पिया होगा? और आपने टैबलेट्स भी खाई होंगी. तो वो टैबलेट्स अब डिटेक्टिव के दिमाग में क्या आया कि इस चीज़ को पीने से और इस टैबलेट्स को खाने से कोई कैसे स्ट्रांग बन सकता है. उसने अपने डॉक्टर फ्रेंड से पूछा कि क्या हुआ, ये सिरप और ये पिल्स आप मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? बोले ये कोई this is not a common syrup. This common syrup is a energy drink which contain lots of carbohydrate it. You see, carbohydrate, and these pills are not common pills which you have taken. These pills contains what? These pills contain vitamins, minerals and many other nutrients. Now the detective was so much confused. He asked the doctor to tell him in detail what carbohydrate do to our body and what vitamins and minerals do with our body. Then doctor explained him in very much detail. Let us take a look what he told him, what he explained him. आज हम इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के बारे में इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे कि मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं, न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या होते हैं, वाइटामिन्स क्या होते हैं, एंड व्हाई दे आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर डेली लाइफ एंड व्हाई वी हैव टू कंज्यूम दैट इन very much quantity. Let us take a look on our first starting of our second chapter. What do different food item contains? As you all know that I have already told you in the previous video that different food items are made up of different type of materials, different type of things, and these things are known as ingredients. We have write it as a important definition. Different type of things, different type of food items has different type of substance in it, and that substance which gives taste to the food, which gives food the nutrients, are known as ingredients. So ingredients are very necessary for all of us. Let us take a look. We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. This ingredient word is very much important of your first chapter, which we get from plants and minerals. We obtain food from plant as well as from animals also. That is why these plant and animal contain minerals and ingredients. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. Now this is the definition of nutrient, that there are some components which are present in our ingredient that are needed by our body to make our body strong, like an army person, like a king, and these substances are known as nutrients. With the help of these nutrients, our body going to build ourselves, going to repair ourselves, and and growth of our body takes place. It is understood by all of you now that every food items contain ingredients in it which comes from plants or from animals, and these component, when it is very necessary needed by our body, then it is known as nutrients. Now let's take a look on another line. What is that? The major nutrient in our food are named as carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral. In addition, food contain dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. That means major nutrients means the nutrients which are needed by our body the most is known as. कौन कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट हमारी बॉडी को बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में चाहिए होते हैं, रोज चाहिए होते हैं, वो होते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. ये सारे चीज़ें हमारे बॉडी को चाहिए ही चाहिए और डेली चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन डू आवर डेली एक्टिविटीज विद ग्रेट एनर्जी. वी कैन स्टडी विद ग्रेट एनर्जी, वी कैन सी टीवी with great energy, we can play with great energy. For that energy we all need that nutrients in very much amount. In addition, food contain dietary fiber. That dietary fiber is also necessary for our body, and as you all know that water is very essential for all of us. We have to drink at least 6 to 7 glasses of water according to our body size and body weight. हम सबको पानी पीना चाहिए, बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. It gives us energy, it gives our body the power to heal, and it also gives us and it also purify our body as well. So all these nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, are needed by our body in daily amount, and water is the essential part of that to make our body purify and to make us fit. That is why we have to drink at least 6 to 7 glasses of water per day. Okay students, so आप लोग क्या करेंगे, आप लोग water 6 to 7 glasses जरूर पिएंगे to make your body fit for consumption. Now let us take a glance that what food items contain. these are carbohydrate. Now you can see this picture. This picture is of finger chips. You like finger chips? Now I like it the most. And these are the ground nuts. These are protein. Fish and meat is excessive. Protein is excessive present in this, but protein is also presented in almond, in egg, in various type of things. Protein are present. This is fat, this is oil, this is a picture of vitamin. That means orange, bananas and several type of fruit contain vitamins. This is a picture of minerals, sodium, magnesium. These minerals are found in the soil, which we get from plants as well as from other animals also, and fruits and also. And this is water. These all are essential part of your body. Now let's take a glance on what each nutrient contains and why all these nutrients are so important for us. So students, what is this? What various nutrients do for our body? हमारी बॉडी में various nutrients हमारे लिए क्या क्या करते हैं? First nutrient is carbohydrate. This carbohydrate we used to take in a large amount. This carbohydrate is instant energy giver to our body. This carbohydrate gives us instant energy. Like instant मैगी नूडल्स होते हैं ना, तुरंत हमारी भूख को मिटा देते हैं, जल्दी से बन जाते हैं. ऐसे ही कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स क्या होते हैं? They give us instant energy. So this instant energy giver known as carbohydrate. It is a compound of carbon and hydrate. That means water. It is made up of carbon and water. This carbohydrate we eat generally during the fast, in very much amount. जब हमें fast रखते हैं, जब nowadays Muslims are doing Ramzan fasting, so they eat date. They generally eat dates. That date also contains lots of amount of carbohydrate to give them instant energy, so that they can't feel very weak. So whenever we feel weak, we used to take carbohydrate in the form of glucose. We eat sweet fruits. We eat sweet, anything that is sweet contains a carbohydrate in it. Even our chapati that we eat daily contains carbohydrate in it. Carbohydrates are present mostly as starch. They provide us with energy and thus are energy giving compound. Carbohydrate हमारी बॉडी को क्या देते हैं? एनर्जी देते हैं. इंस्टेंट एनर्जी गिविंग कंपाउंड है जो तुरंत हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देते हैं. दे आर प्रेजेंट मोस्टली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. वो हमारी बॉडी में किसके फॉर्म में है? वो हमारी बॉडी में स्टार्च के फॉर्म में भी होते हैं. स्टार्च आर ऑफ टू टाइप. वन इज एनिमल स्टार्च एंड द अदर वन इज नोन एज plant starch. Plant starch is stored in the plant body which we consume and it converted ultimately into animal starch, and that animal starch in the form of carbohydrate is used to store in our liver. Whenever we do fasting, the stored starch give us energy to perform our daily activity. So that is why carbohydrate is really very essential for us. It gives us energy. What food items contain carbohydrate? Wheat, potato, rice, etc. are the good source of carbohydrate. You know, whenever you eat chapati which is made up of wheat, whenever you chew it, you ultimately feel sweet taste after some time after chewing a little bit. So that sweetness is due to presence of carbohydrate in it. Potato, sometimes potato is also sweet in taste, but potato contain lots of amount of carbohydrate. Rice also contain a white color carbohydrate in it, which some people usually threw it away while making it in the form of starch. These three things are very good source of carbohydrate which we generally eat. Beside these things, there are some other things also. That is, these are bread. Bread is also made up of wheat. Bread is also made up of fine wheat flour. मैदा की भी बनी होती है, गेहूं की भी बनी होती है. These are biscuits and patties. I hope all of you eat this very frequently. I love to eat these things because this gives us very much amount of energy. Rice also contain carbohydrate, and now these are potatoes, wheat, oats. Oats are very beneficial for us. We used to eat oat a very lot of amount because it is instant energy giving as well as it is good in taste. These are fibers which contain carbohydrate. Now what is the next component? Iodine test for carbohydrate. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि किसी फूड आइटम में कार्बोहाइड्रेट है या नहीं? तो साइंटिस्ट ने उसके लिए क्या किया, साइंटिस्ट ने उसके लिए एक टेस्ट को डिस्कवर किया। ये टेस्ट क्या करता था, ये टेस्ट पता लगाता था कि सर्टेन फूड आइटम्स कंटेन आयोडीन, कंटेन carbohydrate or not. That test is known as iodine test. Whenever you have to do this, you have to perform this in lab with the help of teacher or with the help of your parents. You don't have to need to touch any type of chemical. So this test, this iodine test is particularly for that, if we have to find that carbohydrate is present in certain thing or not. Carbohydrate present in all food items are tested by iodine test, which means we can test whether carbohydrate is present in the food item or not by the help of this test. Few drops of dilute iodine solution. See student, what are iodine solution? Iodine solution are generally bluish, purple bluish in color, which is easily available in the store where you can get medical store, we can say. Iodine is used for the as an antiseptic फॉर आर वुंड्स. जब हमारे चोट लग जाती है तो उसमें एक ब्लू कलर का हम सब्सटेंस लगाते हैं बीटाडीन के साथ, उसको कहते हैं आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन. दिस इज एडेड टू अ फूड सैंपल आइटम, मतलब the sample, the food which we are going to test whether it is contain carbohydrate or not. We used to drop few amount of iodine solution on that. If the color changes from brown to blue black, then the presence of starch is confirmed. That means, let us take an example. Let's take a potato, because we all know that हमने अभी पढ़ा कि potato contains a carbohydrate. Wash the potato thoroughly, peel it and cut it. Okay, when you cut the potato, take a small piece of potato and put some amount of dilute iodine solution, that iodine solution in it. When you can see after few seconds the color of that potato changes to blue and black. This confirms that starch or carbohydrate is present. Whenever carbohydrate is present in any of the food item, it changes into blue or black color, and if it is not, then it remains the same. Okay, so this is the test of carbohydrate. This test is known as iodine test, to check whether carbohydrate is present in a food item or not. Let's go on another topic. That another topic is known as protein. This is another major nutrient which we are going to study. Students, protein are known as building block of our body. Building block means these are very essential for the development and growth of our bones, and for the development and growth of our brain as well as of our body. That means for a complete development, protein is required. We get protein from several type of food item. We have studied carbohydrate, which gives us what? Which gives us instant energy, and proteins which are necessary for our growth of our body. Both the component together will help us to grow in a healthy person. These proteins are what? Proteins are the body building nutrients. They are needed to build every single part and organ of our body. That is why I told it is a building block element. MCQs में आता है कि which nutrient is known as building block element. So building block elements कौन से होते हैं? Proteins होते हैं. They help us in growth and repair of our body. Several food items like egg, meat, lentils. Lentils means cereals, beans, etc. The good source of protein. Whenever you want to become tall, जब भी आपको लंबा होना है, टॉल होना है, वी यूज टू कंज्यूम मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोटीन. जनरली जो लोग जिम जाते हैं, इंटेंसिव एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में प्रोटीन इनटेक करते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट इनटेक करते हैं, सो दैट देयर बॉडी ग्रो फास्ट. सो आप सब लोग छोटे छोटे हो, आप सबको क्या होना है? लंबा होना है. यू वांट टू बिकम tall, so that you can make a footballer, you will become a good cricketer or a bodybuilder or a dancer. To make yourself attractive, you have to consume carbohydrate and a good amount of protein you also have to consume, which is present in egg, meat and lentils. That is what you have to consume: egg, meat and lentils, cereals, almonds, whatever which contains a good amount of protein. Fish is also a very good source of protein. You can consume fish on daily basis, but you have to consume it on daily basis. Okay, you can take 1 or 2 egg on the daily basis to give you to complete your requirement. You have to consume milk. 1 glass of milk is very essential for all of your growth, for all of your body growth, for all of your brain growth as well, because milk also contain lots of amount of protein which is beneficial for you. Let us take a picture. These are cheese which is made tofu is made up of tofu is a type of a cheese which is made up of soya bean, and this soya is also a bean which contains lots of amount of protein. Peas also contain protein. Quinoa also contains protein. Tomato contains protein which is sun dried, so it is very beneficial for us. All kinds of beans, pulses, nuts, that is almonds, groundnut, and green leafy vegetable, etc. contains lots of amount of protein. So you have to consume protein on your daily basis. Let's go on the another nutrient. Let's go for the test of protein, that how can we test protein, how can we confirm that this particular food item which we are going to consume contain protein or not. Like that we tested carbohydrates, similar to that tested protein also. Now this is the test for protein. Protein in the food sample are tested by copper sulfate. Students, this copper sulfate is a chemical which you found in laboratory only. So you have to perform this test in laboratory. You can't perform it on your daily life. By copper sulfate and caustic soda solution, these two are the chemicals which are going to use, which we going to use this in test for protein. The sample food item is made into very dilute paste and the above solutions are added to it. If the color of the resulting solution changes to purple, the presence of protein is confirmed. Let's take a glance. If a protein food item is if in a food item protein is present, we used to make the paste of that protein food item. That is, let us take an example. We take a small amount of tofu and we make it a very dilute paste, and we add that dilute paste into that solution. If the color of the resulting solution changes to purple, कार्बोहाइड्रेट में भी पर्पल में चेंज हुआ था, इसमें भी पर्पल में चेंज हुआ है. इफ द कलर चेंजेस इनटू पर्पल, दैट मीन्स इट कंटेन्स प्रोटीन, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट, एंड इट विल रिमेन द सेम. So it is confirmed that that element do not contain any type of protein it is. So this is very essential for all of us test for protein. You have to memorize this test, that what type of chemical are used, copper sulfate and caustic soda solution. Let us take in another major nutrients, that is dilute copper sulfate solution and that is dilute hydroxide solution, and if it is present, it is marked by plus sign here, which gives us a positive, and this is negative. So coming upon on the next topic is fat. Fat and carbohydrate are sometimes confused because fat also give us instant energy, but we can say that fat gives us more energy than carbohydrate. But our body contain small amount of adipose tissues. Adipose tissues वो tissues होते हैं जिनमें fat store होता है. So fat is also energy giving compound, but we have to consume fat in a limited amount because it is not required much by our body. Only some elements of our body, organs of our body are made up of adipose tissue, for which what fat is required. Fat are highly energy nutrient, are more than that of carbohydrate. They are needed in moderate amount by our body. Fats are reserved food material of our body. Oil, ghee, butter, etc. are the source of fat. Whenever you used to consume lots of amount of fat, it stores in the adipose tissue. Adipose tissue, I am again telling you, is that tissue that used to store fat. So that whenever we feel weak, whenever we are out of carbohydrate, that fat ultimately changes into carbohydrate and gives us what? And gives us energy, instant energy. So they are needed in moderate amount of our body because fat is also required, and moderate means more, not more or not less. moderate amount में चाहिए होते हैं, ना तो हमें ज़्यादा फैट खाना चाहिए ना हमें कम फैट खाना चाहिए. हमको moderate amount में फैट खाना चाहिए, so that our body can make all those chemicals and enzymes and complete the fulfillment of all the nutrients. So we have to consume oil, ghee, butter, but in a limited amount, so that our body cannot store such a fatty acids. Obesity problem that occurs by the consumption of lots of fat. जब बहुत मोटे हो जाते हैं उस प्रॉब्लम को कहते हैं ओबेसिटी. और ये ओबेसिटी की प्रॉब्लम किसकी वजह से होती है? हमारे फैट्स ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करने की वजह से होती है, क्योंकि फैट्स जो है वो हमारे टिश्यूज़ में स्टोर हो जाता है. तो जब भी कोई पर्सन बहुत ही मोटा होता है, दे यूज टू कंज्यूम लॉट ऑफ फैट, और वो फैट कार्बोहाइड्रेट में चेंज नहीं हो पाता है. दैट इज वाई दे बिकम फैट. सो वी हैव टू कंज्यूम फैट बट इन वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट. दीज आर द फैटी थिंग्स. सम अमाउंट ऑफ फैट इज प्रेजेंट इन avocado, is present in chocolates, is present in ghee, is present in butter and meat. See students, fats are of two types. Some fats are good and some fats are bad for our health. Good fats are present in oil, ghee, butter, meat, etc. So we have to consume it in very small amount. But bad fat are those fat which are stored in our body and cannot convert it by our body into carbohydrate. That means they only harm our body. Got it? They only harm our body, so we have to consume a good fat only. So students, आज के हम ये टॉपिक यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं. हम आगे पढ़ेंगे फाइबर्स के बारे में, हम आगे पढ़ेंगे वाटर के बारे में, और हम आगे पढ़ेंगे अगर न्यूट्रिएंट्स की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है तो क्या होगा हमारे में. गॉट इट? अगर आपको यहाँ तक का पार्ट समझ में आया है, पसंद आया है, तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें उसमें, और शेयर करें, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. ये है सिंगर साइंस क्लासेस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.